Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create cyberwave music poster in Photoshop. Begin with a neon purple and blue gradient, then add a wave shape using the pen tool. Apply gloss to wave shape for a cyber feel. Insert the artistic or device in the center. Also applies gloss to the wave shapes for cyber feel. Add hologram scales around the subject. Use blend modes to merge hologram elements. Add sparks particle in the energy. Insert text with a retro digital font. Give text a new outline and also add noise textures on top. Create glowing circles behind